guys, Megan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my first ever pack with me on this channel. I've never filmed a video like this before, but I'm so excited because I'm going to freaking New York City and I've never been before, and I'm just so excited to kind of strip my stuff and all my outfits, which I haven't picked yet, but I'm leaving in a few hours, so this is definitely a realistic look of me packing. I'm going to be showing you guys my outfits that I'm packing, my toiletries, my makeup, my carry-on, and by the way, I'm fitting all of this in a carry-on suitcase, and I'm also bringing a tote bag for on the plane, so if you guys want some space-saving trip tips and tricks, I'm definitely going to provide those in this video as well. And if you guys like travel content, give this video a thumbs up or subscribe down below if you're new. I'm going to be putting out a ton of new content during the summer, and I'm super excited for that. And let's get right on into this video. Before we start, I kind of want to give y'all a quick idea of what the trip's going to look like. So today is Thursday and we are leaving today. We are staying in New York tonight, Friday night, and Saturday night. And then Sunday morning we are leaving our hotel at 7. Basically we have 48 hours and plus whatever today ends up being, so I'm packing my outfit for the airport today and 2 day outfits and 2 night outfits for the whole trip, and then something to wear on the plane on Sunday morning. So that's kind of what my outfits are going to look like. So starting off, just so y'all know, I do pack in outfits, some people don't. I think for a trip as short as this, that's really the only way to do it. Let me show you first what I'm wearing to the airport. I'm just wearing this J. Crew top. And it's black, and I'm also wearing these H&M just scallop shorts. They're super comfy. This outfit together is super chic, and I'm wearing it with my Vans because they're kind of bulky and I just like to keep them out of my bag. For a day outfit, I'm wearing this blue top that's peplum and has the bows in the back with these white jeans. I think it's so cute, and I'm probably gonna wear it with my Vans because they're easy to walk in. And then depending on how hot or cold it is, I'm gonna wear this tank top probably, but I brought white shorts which could pair with literally anything else here for an outfit, but I thought I'd bring them because they're versatile. But if it's too cold, I'm gonna wear the white pants with this top so it all works. And then for a night outfit, I have this off the shoulder top which I love with these ripped jeans, and I think that would be so cute with my gold platforms. For this other super fun night outfit, I have an all black outfit with this super fun tank top that I got at the beach, and then I also have my black ripped jeans. But depending on the weather, it's supposed to be much hotter on Friday than it is on Saturday. I'm going to wear this dress, maybe even with a jacket. I am packing 2 pieces of outerwear. I'm packing my North Face raincoat, and I'm also packing my J. Crew field jacket. I love this jacket. It's pretty thin, but it still will keep me warm. I could throw that over top of that. If I need to be fancy, I could wear that dress somewhere. Super versatile. As for pajamas, I'm just bringing 1 t-shirt and 1 pair of leggings. Honestly, that's all I need. And then I did bring 1 workout outfit only because my friend was planning on going to the gym. I told her I'd go with her, so I just brought this workout top, this sports bra, and these shorts. And even if I didn't go to the gym, I could totally wear this on the plane on Sunday. So super versatile. I have underwear, bras, and then I still need to grab my socks out of my drawer. And then as for shoes, I've kind of already showed y'all, but I have these shoes which I'm planning on wearing both on the plane on Sunday and also if I go to the gym. These Vans I'm planning on wearing walking around all around New York City. And then these shoes are actually crazy comfy. I just don't want to mess up the sides. I'm going to be wearing these anytime that we go out, and I don't know if I need to dress up a little. So I like that I only have 3 pairs of shoes, and I feel pretty good about all these outfits. I'm not really going to take anything away, and I don't feel like it's overdoing it too much.
Wake up to an old How deep can we go? 'Cause you're pulling me straight down.
Felt this way, can't get enough, so stay with me. It's not like we got big plans. Let's drive around town on 10 hands. And you need to know you're the only one. Alright, alright. And you need to.
Alright, you guys, my carry-on and my other carry-on are completely filled. They're pretty heavy and I'm definitely sweating, but I am so excited to go to New York City. And if you guys like travel videos like this one, let me know in the comments down below or by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you guys are new, I invite you to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!